Have you ever looked up at the night sky and wondered, how far does it all go? The twinkling stars, the glowing arc of the Milky Way, and the endless silence of space. They aren't just beautiful. They're a mystery, a vast, cosmic puzzle that beckons us to look deeper, to ask bigger questions, to explore beyond what our eyes can see. The observable universe is the part of the cosmos we can currently detect using telescopes and instruments, our small window into the great beyond. But even with the most advanced technology at our disposal, our view is limited. Why? Because light, the universe's messenger, only travels at a certain speed. That means we can only observe things whose light has had enough time to reach us. Everything farther out, everything older or more distant, remains invisible, hidden in the unobservable universe. Now here's something incredible. The diameter of the observable universe is about 93 billion light-years, even though the universe is only about 13.8 billion years old. At first, this might sound impossible. But there's a reason. The universe is expanding. Space itself stretches, and as it does, distant galaxies move farther and farther away. The light we're seeing today began its journey billions of years ago, traveling across that ever-stretching space to finally reach our planet. Still, as much as we've learned, it's humbling to realize how little we actually know. The universe is more than just vast. It's mysterious, complex, and full of secrets we're only beginning to uncover. But today, thanks to modern marvels like NASA's James Webb Space Telescope, we're pulling back the curtain bit by bit. James Webb is often called the successor to Hubble, but it's so much more. It allows us to look farther into space and back in time than ever before. Recently, astronomers detected a massive structure near the farthest edge of our observable universe. A telescope just made contact with it, and it's challenging how we think about cosmic formation. It's a reminder. We are only scratching the surface. So what lies beyond that edge? Beyond the part of space we can measure or observe. To reach those unreachable corners, we'd need something more than rockets. We'd need technology that bends the rules of physics, warp drives, wormholes, even travel through space-time itself. Concepts that once lived only in science fiction are now being seriously discussed in scientific communities. Could anything travel faster than light? Could we, one day, break the barrier that separates us from the truly unknown? Some say it's impossible. Others think we might eventually unlock the secrets. But creating such technology would require scientific breakthroughs so advanced, they could be centuries or even millennia away. And yet, some models estimate the total universe might be at least 10 to the power of 23 times larger than the part we can see. That's a number so huge, it almost defies human imagination. If that's true, then what exists out there? More galaxies? More stars? More planets like ours? Even though we can't observe that space directly, we can make educated guesses. That's where NASA and space agencies around the world step in. They've been working together to peer deep into the past. The Hubble telescope gave us the famous ultra-deep field image, a tiny patch of sky filled with thousands of galaxies. Then James Webb went even farther, detecting galaxies that existed just a few 100 million years after the Big Bang. The light from those galaxies had stretched into infrared wavelengths due to the expanding universe. And Webb is designed to detect just that. What it found shocked scientists. Galaxies in the early universe were forming stars at rates far greater than expected. The early universe wasn't quiet. It was active, dynamic, bursting with energy and life. These discoveries reshape our understanding of how everything began. And they lead to an even bigger question. Are we alone? The search for life beyond Earth is no longer science fiction. It's science fact. Thousands of exoplanets have been discovered orbiting distant stars. Many of them lie in the habitable zone, the region where liquid water could exist. Some are rocky, Earth-like worlds. One fascinating example is WASP 96b, a planet where Webb detected water vapor, clouds, and atmospheric haze, on a planet we once thought couldn't possibly support such features. We're not saying we've found alien life, but the more we discover, the more likely it seems that Earth is not alone in hosting it. And if there's life here, how many other forms of life could exist out there? And then, There's the multiverse, a concept gaining traction in quantum physics. Some theories suggest that every decision, every event, splits the universe into alternate versions. In this view, infinite parallel realities exist, each one with its own version of Earth, its own history, maybe even its own you. Speculative, yes, but also thrilling. It opens the door to possibilities beyond comprehension. But there's one more mystery, dark flow. Discovered in 2008, it refers to the strange movement of galaxy clusters all flowing in the same direction, faster than our models predict. Some scientists believe something massive, something unseen, beyond the observable universe, is pulling them. Others question the data, but the idea that something unknown lies just out of reach is enough to make us look harder, think deeper, and never stop searching. We are at the dawn of a new era in space exploration. From ancient galaxies to the hunt for alien life, from quantum mysteries to cosmic puzzles like dark flow, the universe is challenging us like never before. It's pushing us to expand our minds, ask impossible questions, and dream bigger than we ever thought possible. So what do you think? Are we alone? What's waiting beyond the edge of what we can see? Could there be other Earths, other versions of you? Let us know in the comments. And remember, this is just the beginning. Like the video, subscribe to our channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. Because the greatest journey of all is the quest to understand the universe. Thank you for watching. See you soon.